Imagine waking up one morning and astronomers worldwide are announcing the same thing. A planet 10 times the size of Jupiter has entered our solar system. No star, no orbit, just drifting through space, and its path leads directly to Earth. This isn't science fiction. Guojo, rogue planet styles. Reina, sprite Turnjoli, Lenstanen, Verbaden Steyr, Sober Marden Turchid, Trudeau, Ris, Joe, Bro, Joe, Do, Woodr Jatter. For Joe, and tonight we're going to walk through exactly what would happen, second by second, day by day, would bind if one was heading straight for us. Before we get to the destruction, let's understand what we're dealing with. A rogue planet is a planet-sized object that was ejected from its solar system, kicked out by gravitational forces, and now drifting through the galaxy with no star to orbit. Scientists estimate there could be billions of them in the Milky Way alone. Most are invisible, no reflected light, no heat signature detectable from Earth. By the time we spotted one heading toward us, we might have only months or even weeks of warning. The first thing we'd notice isn't the planet itself, it's its gravity. Months before arrival, something strange starts happening. The moon's orbit begins shifting slightly. Tides become irregular, higher than normal, hitting coastlines that never flood. Astronomers notice asteroids in the outer solar system moving in unusual patterns. Then the calculations come in, and the panic begins. Governments try to control the information, but you can't hide a planet. As the rogue planet enters the inner solar system, its gravitational pull starts affecting Earth directly. Earthquakes increase in frequency and magnitude worldwide. Volcanoes that have been dormant for centuries suddenly become active. The oceans start behaving like they're being stirred. Tides, rising meters higher than normal on one side of the planet. The sky starts looking different. You can see it with the naked eye now, a dark circle growing slowly against the stars. Every night, bigger. Every night, closer. In the final days, the gravitational tidal forces become catastrophic. The difference in pull between the side of Earth facing the planet and the side facing away starts tearing the planet apart structurally. The crust begins cracking, massive rifts opening across continents. Mega tsunamis hundreds of meters tall sweep across every ocean. The atmosphere itself starts getting pulled and distorted. Winds reach speeds never recorded in human history. And in the sky, the rogue planet now fills a significant portion of your view. It's all anyone can see. At this point, Earth's structural integrity is failing. The tidal forces are so extreme that the planet is visibly deforming, stretching slightly toward the approaching mass. The core becomes destabilized. Massive volcanic eruptions cover entire continents in lava. Within hours, the atmosphere is being stripped away on the side facing the planet, breathable air becoming thinner by the minute at the surface. The rogue planet now fills the entire sky. There is no horizon anymore. Just planet. Contact. The energy released in the first millisecond exceeds anything in Earth's history by incomprehensible orders of magnitude. The crust vaporizes instantly. The oceans flash to steam in seconds. The mantle, liquid rock that took billions of years to form, gets flung into space as debris. Earth doesn't shatter like glass. It gets absorbed, merged into the larger mass in an explosion of plasma that briefly outshines the sun. In under a minute, everything that ever lived, everything ever built, every memory and every dream becomes part of the debris field of a collision in space. The aftermath spreads across the solar system. Massive chunks of what was once Earth scatter in all directions. Some slam into Mars, some into the moon, sending it spiraling out of orbit. The debris ring around the collision point slowly cools over thousands of years. Eventually, gravity pulls some of it together into a new, smaller body. A new rock. No atmosphere, no water, no life. Just a silent reminder floating in the dark of what used to be the most complex planet we've ever known. Here's what puts it all in perspective. This exact scenario has already happened countless times across the universe. Planet collisions are not rare on a cosmic scale. They're normal. In fact, scientists believe Earth itself was formed partly by a Mars-sized planet colliding with the early proto-Earth 4.5 billion years ago. That collision created the moon. So in a way, we're already the survivors of a planetary collision. The moon above your head tonight? It's the scar left from the last time something massive hit us. The universe is violent, ancient, and breathtakingly indifferent to our existence. But somehow, against all the odds, here we are, on this tiny rock, looking up, asking questions. That's what this channel is about. Every week we take the biggest, most terrifying, most mind-bending questions about space and science, and we break them down together. If you made it this far, you're exactly the kind of person who belongs here. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.